Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a spider. Start by drawing a couple of lines for construction guides. Draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. You're basically drawing a big plus sign. Curve the horizontal line slightly. Make a couple of small marks on the horizontal line to indicate the sides of the body. At the top of the vertical line, make a small mark to indicate the top edge of the body. Make the marks on the sides a bit longer to create the sides of the body. Connect the lines on the sides to the small mark at the top using sloping lines to finish the top part of the body. Below the middle of the plus sign, draw a horizontal line for the bottom edge of the body. Connect the horizontal line to the lines at the top using sloping lines to finish the shape of the body. Below that, draw a couple of short angled lines for the head. The shape of the head should be smaller than the back of the body. At the bottom, draw a short angled line for the first part of the fangs. This line should be similar to an upside down letter Y. Draw a couple of curved lines on the sides to finish the shape of the fangs. On the left side of the body, draw a long angled line for the first leg. Draw this line where the two sections of the body meet. Draw this line going up and then at the top bend it to the right. Draw the top of this line higher up than the body. Draw a similar line on the right side of the body for the other leg. Bend the top of this line to the left. Below that, draw two more long angled lines for another pair of legs. Draw the lines going out and then bend them up. Make this pair of lines slightly shorter than the first set. Below that, draw two more lines for another pair of legs. Bend the tips of these lines downward. Make sure that all the lines start on the same section of the body. Below that, draw two more long angled lines for the last pair of legs. Try to make both sides of the body the same, but it's okay if the body isn't perfectly symmetrical. Inside the big shape of the body, draw a couple of triangles for the markings on the body. Place the triangles on top of the horizontal construction guide and on either side of the vertical guide. The markings should resemble eyes. This is a fictional spider, so you can change the markings if you'd like. Below that, draw another triangle for a marking that resembles a nose. Below that, draw three short vertical lines for more markings. At the top, draw a long vertical line for a bit of web. Remember that this is a fictional spider, so you can change the markings or leave them out altogether. And that's it for the spider. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps are sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit howtodrawanimals.com. That's how, and then the number 2, then drawanimals.com. Let me know in the comments what other animals you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.